In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Twitter feed to your Webflow site efficiently. Whether you're looking to share your latest tweets or engage your audience with your Twitter content, incorporating your feed into Webflow is a straightforward process. We'll walk through each step to make sure your Twitter updates are seamlessly displayed on your website. So let's get started. First, you need to visit the official Twitter Publish tool at publish.twitter.com. This tool is a fantastic resource because it allows you to easily generate embed codes for a variety of Twitter timelines, such as profile timelines, likes, lists, and more. All you need to do is have your Twitter profile URL ready. For instance, if your Twitter handle is username, your URL will look something like this: https://twitter.com, username. Copy and paste your URL into the provided field on the Twitter Publish page. Once you've done that, look for the option that says Embedded Timeline and select it. This option is exactly what we need, a fully functioning timeline that will continuously update with your latest tweets. It's dynamic and ensures that your site's visitors can see your newest content as soon as it's live. Now the tool will generate an embed code specifically for your timeline. This is a tiny snippet of HTML and JavaScript that will act as a bridge between Twitter and your Webflow site. Make sure to copy this code. It's the key component that will make your feed visible online. Next, we'll move on to Webflow Designer, where you'll bring this code into action. Inside your Webflow project, navigate to the page where you want your Twitter feed to appear. Now you'll need to drag an embed element onto your design. Here's a quick tip. This element might be found under the Add panel, usually labeled as an HTML embed. This will allow you to insert raw HTML code directly into your page layout. If you're on a Webflow paid plan, you're all set to proceed to the next step. Simply paste that Twitter embed code you copied earlier into the embed element. It's important to make sure you save your changes so everything settles in place. Finally, publish your Webflow site to bring everything live. Remember, the Twitter feed won't be visible in the designer view, so be sure to check your live website to see how it looks and functions. This part is crucial as Twitter embeds will only render on the live site. If everything was done correctly, your beautifully embedded Twitter feed should now appear on your site, updating automatically with your newest tweets for visitors to see. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to integrate Twitter into your Webflow site. By following these steps, you ensure that your Twitter presence extends to your web page, keeping your audience connected and engaged with your content. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more Webflow tutorials.